This time, we will learn about operator blocks, and how to use the mouse on Scratch. We're going to make a little game. There is a bat flying, and you have to chase the bat using your mouse. Each time you can click the bat with your mouse, you will get 1 score. But you only have 30 seconds to chase the bat. Play with your friends, who can chase more bats, he wins. The result is like this. Create a new project in Scratch, and delete the cat sprite. Name this project Chase the Bat. Add a sprite named Bat, and change its size to 50. Then, add a backdrop with the name Mountain. First, we will create a flying bat animation. Add these coding blocks in the bat sprite. Then, we're going to make the bat moves, not just fly in one place. Every half a second, the bat will moves. Put these blocks on the bat. Then we will make a score. Each time we successfully click the bat, the score will increase by 1. We need variable to do this. Let's create the variable. Name this variable as score, and show it on stage by selecting this checkbox. How can we get a score? Use these blocks. First of all, when the game starts, we will set the score to 0. Then in this forever loop block, we will check using if block. This if block is actually made of 4 blocks, which are the yellow block used for if condition. This green block for and logic block, it comes from the operator section in Scratch. And inside the green block, there are 2 light blue blocks of sensing. If the bat sprite touches the mouse pointer, and we click the left mouse button, we will add 1 to the score. After we add 1 to the score, we wait for 0.5 seconds. If this wait block does not exist, the score will continue to increase, not just 1. Let's code it. For the event, loop, and if block, just drag it. For the condition, make and block with 2 conditions, when touching mouse pointer and mouse down. Put the condition into if block. Now, click on the green flag. You can start chasing the bats. Every time you successfully click the bat, you will get an additional score. Next, we're going to set a time limit, so you can only chase the bat for 30 seconds. For time constraint, use these blocks. When the game starts, we will set the time to 30, which is the 30 seconds time limit. Then we will repeat 30 times. In each iteration, wait 1 second, then subtract the variable time by 1. To subtract, use the number -1. This time variable will be displayed on the screen, so make sure you check the checkbox on the variable. After the loop is finished, the game must be stopped. To stop the game, we can use this yellow block. Create the variable and arrange the blocks like previously shown. Try it. Now you only has 30 seconds to chase the bat.